Welcome to our exploration of promoting digital collaboration and communication in education. Today we'll look at how technology enhances engagement and supports hybrid learning, and we'll highlight key impact metrics like the rapid adoption rates and early performance gains that show why this shift matters for schools and learners alike. This presentation walks through the full picture, from the broad digital transformation reshaping classrooms to the core technologies that make collaboration possible, then into practical tools like LMS platforms and video conferencing, followed by collaborative documents, discussion forums, engagement strategies, and finally implementation and measurement best practices. Now we begin with the digital transformation of education, where hybrid learning models are changing when, where, and how students learn. This section sets the stage by explaining why technology is no longer optional and how thoughtful integration can make learning more flexible and accessible for diverse learners. The new educational landscape has shifted fast, with blended learning adoption jumping significantly in recent years. This slide points to drivers like personalized learning and anytime access, while also flagging challenges we must address, including keeping students engaged online, ensuring equitable access, strengthening digital citizenship, and training educators for effective digital pedagogy. Next, we focus on core technologies for collaboration, exploring the digital tools that enable communication, teamwork, and sustained engagement, and setting up the practical toolkits schools can use to connect students, streamline instruction, and create meaningful learning experiences across physical and virtual spaces. Think of the Digital Collaboration Toolkit as 4 complementary sets of tools that together enable seamless learning: centralized LMS platforms to organize courses, video conferencing for live interaction, collaborative documents for real-time co-creation, and discussion forums for deeper asynchronous reflection and community building. Learning management systems act as the digital hub for courses, making content delivery, assignment workflows, and communication simpler. Platforms like Google Classroom, Canvas, Moodle, and Blackboard each bring strengths around ease of use, customization, integrations, and analytics that schools can match to their needs and scale. Video conferencing brings faces and voices together in real time, using breakout rooms, polls, and digital whiteboards to boost participation. The ability to record sessions, invite remote guests, and support global projects makes live classes more versatile, and evidence suggests these features significantly increase student engagement when used thoughtfully. Collaborative documents let multiple students edit and comment simultaneously, creating transparent workflows and faster feedback loops. By enabling version, history, inline suggestions, and peer review, these tools improve teamwork, writing quality, and critical thinking while preparing students with skills they'll use in professional environments. Discussion forums provide asynchronous space for deeper thinking, allowing students to research, reflect, and craft thoughtful responses without real-time pressure. This format supports democratic participation, builds a permanent learning record, reduces anxiety for shy contributors, and can even boost social and emotional learning outcomes. Now we shift to strategies and implementation, focusing on best practices that maximize engagement and ensure technology adoption succeeds. The goal here is practical guidance teachers and leaders can use to turn tools into lasting improvements in learning, not just temporary fixes. Effective engagement strategies combine gameful elements, social learning, micro-learning bursts, and personalized learning paths to keep students motivated and connected. Regular check-ins and multimedia integration help address Zoom fatigue and passive learning by creating active, varied, and socially supported learning experiences. For implementation, prioritize clear expectations, thoughtful group formation, and defined roles so collaborative work is purposeful and accountable. Invest in professional development, ensure equitable access to devices and connectivity, and maintain feedback loops to iterate, remembering that successful rollouts require far more planning and pedagogy than technology alone. Measuring success means using a mix of data and human insights. Track participation, time on task, assignment completion, and skill development, while collecting student and teacher feedback. Combine platform analytics with surveys and observations to get a full picture. And keep in mind, many students report improved outcomes when digital tools are used well. Looking ahead, the future of digital collaboration in education is collaborative, connected, and limitless. When we view technology as an amplifier of great teaching rather than a replacement, thoughtfully integrated tools can create more inclusive, engaging, and effective learning environments that transcend traditional boundaries.